In today's video, I'm going to be sharing two books with you which can help you make money online. Now, the first one we're going to look at is a physical book, and the second one is a digital book. And the great thing about this, both of these books, they're incredibly cheap. And essentially, if you go ahead and learn and implement what's inside of these books, you can make money online. So the first book we're going to be talking about is this one over here, and it's called Traffic Secrets. Now this is for anybody who wants to learn about making money online. Essentially, this will focus on this key part here, which is traffic. So if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have digital products, if you have your own online courses, or an Etsy store or anything like that, this book here will help you to drive traffic to this. Now this book is absolutely awesome. I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. This book is absolutely free to go ahead and get this. It's basically, if you scroll down here, let me just show you this. All you have to do is pay for the shipping. Now this book has been written by Russell Brunson. It's also been featured in Forbes magazine, Entrepreneur, CBC, Inc. 50 and many more. It's all geared around finding your perfect customer. So it's just like even now, even to this day, I still refer back to this book. And one of the reasons why I love this, not is it just a book, but inside of this, it's got diagrams in here. It's got visuals for you. Oh, sorry, let me move it over here. It's got visuals and lots more. It's actually also got inside of here. It's got challenges for you to be doing. It gives you like little takeaway things to do. It includes some really crazy images and other bits. But overall, if you want to learn about getting traffic, essentially customers into your affiliate marketing products or any product, then this will show you how to do this. It's absolutely awesome. I couldn't recommend it enough. And even now, I still refer back to this book because it's just awesome for learning about your potential customers, affiliate marketing, etc., etc. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. Go ahead and check out this page. Now on here, it will show you about the book. It will tell you what's inside of this, what to expect. Scroll further down the page here. Come further down. I'll show you some of the bits that are here. Send me your copy. Look, here is what you will find. Your dream customer. Now, when I first got this and I was reading this, you get those moments, don't you? You get those aha moments, and this happened pretty much like every 5 or 6 pages inside of this book. It's really good. I like, it goes over your dream customer, how to stop them dead in their tracks, where to find them, how to get your message in front of them, how to, get more people to your content, it can be anything. If you're listing products on eBay, you can use this to, get people over to eBay listings. It can be Etsy. It's a lot of it is around affiliate marketing, or if you have your own online courses. But regardless of, what you're into making money online, or you're trying to make money online, this will help you get traffic over into your your sales funnels, your pitches, affiliate products, whatever. It's pretty good, and there's a lot of stuff in here. It covers all of this, so it's all of this is mentioned on the page below. You've got video testimonials. The other thing I want to share with you is if you go ahead and get this book, you actually get a lot of bonuses. So you get this here, you get this bonus one. This is called Traffic Secrets Foundation. This is worth $97. You get this one here, the ultimate unfair advantage. This is a great course. It's $97 by Dean Graziosa. You can go ahead and get that. You've then got how to create videos that have an impact people click on. We've then got how to publish content on all of these platforms. And then you've also got this one here. So in total, you get the book for free. You just pay shipping and you get all of those bonuses. So you see here, you're getting coming up to $510 worth of bonuses essentially for free. Now the reason why I've shown you those bonuses is this book here, this Traffic Secrets. You can go ahead and purchase this on, you can get this on Amazon. You can purchase this on some other different platforms. I think it actually shares some of the different platforms on here that you can go ahead and pick it up on. In fact, let me just hover up here so you can see, look, you can get it on Amazon, you can get it on Books A Million, Barnes & Noble, and some of the other ones. However, if you do purchase it from there, you don't get all of these wonderful bonuses that are included down here, but they really are worth your time. If you are going to purchase this, I'd recommend going ahead and getting it direct, and you do get access to these bonuses. But overall, it's just an absolutely awesome book to learn about getting traffic and earning money online. That is the first book. The second one I'm going to share with you is a PDF, and it's this one over here. So it's an ebook. So let me go over here. Let me just drag this up to the top. This will cost you the grand total of $1.99. This is called the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. Now this here, it will show you how to grow a successful online business without the massive overwhelm of creating products, hiring or doing customer support. This is all about affiliate marketing through the whole concept from start to finish. It's a very in-depth book. You can see up here. In total, there's 92 pages included inside of this book, and it's broken down into three key components. The first one is the foundation to success. The second one is affiliate domination formula, and the third one is the foundation to longevity. Now, I'm literally nearly finished doing this. I've actually wrote an article on this, the Insider's Guide book review. So if I scroll down here, I just tell you a bit about this. So who the book is written by. So it's written by a guy called David Sharp. Dave is the CEO of Legendary Marketer, which is a huge platform, when it comes to affiliate marketing. He's earned millions over the years with, affiliate marketing and online digital marketing. So he knows his stuff when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I'll walk you through this whole process here. So I'll drop a link to this below for you if you want to go ahead and read the review. One last thing to mention is when you purchase this here, this Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing, you also get some additional bonuses. So one of them is, if I just show you this, inside of the book, it will show you everything to learn about affiliate marketing. It also gives you access to this. Look, this here is to complement the book, but you don't have to go through this if you don't want to. But you get access to this anyway, and this normally costs $7. So this is the 15-day online business builder challenge, and you can see here, launch your affiliate marketing is the right way. So you click here, and basically you go back inside of here, inside of this Legendary Marketer account, because when you purchase the book, you give them your name and an email, and then they send you a link to this if you want to go ahead and take this. So this here, this 15-day business builder challenge, this is day one. Show you this here. Look. The number one secret to building a high-ticket, high-profit business online. That is day one. After you watch the video, you go ahead and you complete your assignments here. So there is a quiz here. So there is a digital marketing assessment quiz. And you can see this will help us customize the learning experience for you. You can then schedule a one-on-one business call with an advisor and claim your bonuses. So in terms of these additional bonuses, this is what they give you. So if you come down here, you get these bonuses. So you get this high ticket and email templates, you get Facebook ad templates, you get video scripts and videos, and then you also get the 4 core emails that you need to be sending to build, relationships and trust with your audience. So you get a lot of bonuses included with this as well. And then you've got lots more in here. There's a wake-up call inside of a Facebook group. So that's pretty good. So yeah, you get all of this, and it's for free, basically, when you purchase this ebook over here, this Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. But do you need to go through that 15-day course? No, you don't. It's a freebie that they're giving you to, take you further and deeper into the Legendary Marketer community and funnel and all the rest of it. And one last thing I'll say to you is, if here, once you go through this 15-day business plan, when you speak to your advisors, they get a bit of, information about you. They talk about your past, what your goals are, and other bits. There are additional products. So if I come up here, you can see they've got some of these different, different products and other bits, and they will, recommend some of these to you. Or the main one they try and recommend and share is, it's called the what is it? It's the Digital Blueprint Starter Pack. I think it's the digital. Let me just double check that. It's this one here. I'm sure it's on this digital products, but basically, what I'm saying to you is when you go through here, and if you do speak to one of your advisors, you don't have to purchase any product or service that they recommend to you. It's entirely up to yourself. When I went through the 15 days here, I spoke to my advisor. They said, from everything you've said, we recommend this product or that product here. Do you want to go ahead and get it? And I said, no, thank you. Can you unlock these 15 days for me? And I'll go through this, and then if I want to check out any of these other products that are later date, then I will do. And I did do, and I went ahead and purchased this Marketers Club and, a couple of other bits, really. So it's pretty good. Yeah, so this is what is this? This is the marketing, the weekly. This is a monthly, I think it's monthly from memory. I think it's like $30 a month. But anyway, we're going way off topic here. So let me go back over here to the members area, but this is included with the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. But overall, those are 2 books that I use and I recommend if you want to learn about making money online. First recommendation is this one over here, is Traffic Secrets, and the second one is this Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. So look, let me know if if you've got any books that you recommend for making money online. I'd certainly be interested in reading them and hearing your thoughts and comments. So that's in today's video. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.